And now, as you know, I'm a content creator, so I use the time productively, writing scripts, planning ideas, reflecting. Instead of only mindlessly scrolling, I try to use my time with intention. I read books and newspaper regularly. I believe it's important to stay informed about what's happening around us and in the world. If my body had slowed down, my awareness didn't have to. I also attend webinars to keep learning, and this is something I really want you
और
to
ऐसी
listen
दुनिया में
carefully.
जिसमें कमी नहीं है, आसमां के पास भी तो समी नहीं है। तो माय डियर, प्रैक्टिस ग्रेटिट्यूड, ये आपके स्ट्रेस को जरूर कम करेगा। एंड देन माय डियर, एडजस्ट योर स्टैंडर्ड। यस माय डियर, एडजस्ट योर स्टैंडर्ड। The idea is that sometimes we set our expectation or standard so high that it becomes difficult to meet them. And that lead to stress. For instance, if किसी को हम प्यार करते हैं वो हमारे दिल में होता है, लेकिन जब हम किसी से नफरत करते हैं वो हमारे दिमाग में होता है। तो आपके साथ अगर किसी ने कुछ बुरा किया, उसको माफ कर दीजिए, अपने दिमाग में जो बिठा रखा है वहां से उतार दीजिए, नहीं तो वो आपको आराम से रहने नहीं देगा, परेशान करेगा, हर समय वो चीज वो बात आपको तंग करेगी। तो प्लीज लर्न टू फॉरगिव and then learn from your mistake. कौन जिंदगी में गलतियां नहीं करता? The essence of learning from mistake is to see them as opportunity for growth rather than reason for stress. For instance, imagine you are learning a new skill like cooking. You might burn a dish once and that can be frustrating, but instead of dwelling on that mistake, you can see it as a learning experience. Next time you will know to lower the heat or adjust the cooking time. Another example could be in a workplace setting. Let's say you make a small error in a report. Instead of stressing over it, you can use it as a chance to improve your attention to detail and avoid repeating it in the future. आपने गलती की है, आप उस गलती से सीखिए, आगे बढ़िए, और even on a lighter note, think about learning to ride a bike. Falling off is a part of process, but each fall teaches you something new and eventually lead to success. जब साइकिल चलाना सीखा था, बाइक चलाना सीखा था, कितनी बार गिरे थे, लेकिन हर गलती से हमने सीखा और हम पहले से बेटर बने। In a sense, every mistake is a stepping stone to becoming better.
That was such a productive session. If you ever get the chance to attend webinars related to self growth and mental health, I highly recommend it.